Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is addition and here we are introducing addition. So, adding is putting things together. The plus sign tells you to add. The total that you get after this is called the sum. Let's add and write 1 is done for you. So here there is one butterfly and here there are two butterflies. So 1 and over here it's 1 and 2. So adding them we will have 1, 2 and 3 butterflies. So similarly you have to emphasize the child to count the total number of things that we get over here. So the first is 1. So they will identify, they will recognize the number. They will write the number 1 here. Over here also it's 1. Then 1, 2. So there are two objects. So they will be writing 2 here. After that over here there are two hearts. 1, 2. So they have to write 2 here. After that it's 1 here. And then 1, 2, 3 hearts. So the child will be writing 3 over here. So you have to emphasize that when the things are put together or when we add up the things, we get the total number which is known as the sum. Over here we have 3 sunflowers. 1, 2, 3. So the child will be writing 3 over here. Then it's 1 sunflower. And after that we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sunflowers over here. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So when we have put 3 plus 1 sunflowers, they are 4 sunflowers. Now the child will be recalling this addition by doing some sums in their notebook as well. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को एडिशन का इंट्रोडक्शन दिया गया है, एडिशन क्या होता है और उसके बाद उनको एडिशन की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child will practice picture addition. So here they have to count the object, write the number in the box and add. So here there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 objects. 1, 2. 2 objects. So in all there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 objects. So 4 plus 2 equals to 6. Here there are 1, 2 objects. Here there is 1 object. So 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Or the child can also visualize over here by looking at the objects that are given, count them and then they can write it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here there are 5 balls. 1, 2, 3. Here there are 3 balls. So 5 plus 3 all together, when we put all these balls together, so it is 8. So emphasize the child to count the number of objects, the total number of objects to find the sum over here. Then we have 1, 2, 3. 3 stars here. 1, 2. 2 stars here. So 3 plus 2 makes 5 all together. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lotus. Here we have 1, 2. 2 lotus. So 5 plus 2 makes 7. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को एडिशन की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है. बच्चों को ऑब्जेक्ट को काउंट करना है और फिर टोटल नंबर को बॉक्स में लिखना है. तो यहाँ पे उनको एडिशन परफॉर्म करना है और आप उनको एम्फसाइज करिए कि वो उनके फिंगर टिप्स का भी यूज कर सकते हैं काउंटिंग के लिए, या तो ऑब्जेक्ट्स को देख के टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स भी काउंट कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child will practice picture addition as given over here. So the child will be first counting the object, write the number in the box and then add. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को सबसे पहले ऑब्जेक्ट्स को काउंट करना है, फिर नंबर लिखना है नीचे बॉक्स में और उसके बाद दे विल बी परफॉर्मिंग एडिशन. उसके बाद उन लोग को एडिशन परफॉर्म करना है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 1, 2, 3, 4. They will be writing the number 4 here. After that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 over here. So 4 plus 5 equals to 9. यहाँ पे there are 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3. तो बच्चों को वो काउंट करके यहाँ पे 3 लिखना है. उसके बाद अगेन 1, 2, 3 काउंट करके वापस नंबर लिखना है और 3 plus 3 equals to 6. जो सम है उसका टोटल नंबर वो यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. Again over here we have 1, 2 and 3 pairs. Again 1, 2. 2 pairs over here. So 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So the total is 5 or the sum is 5. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को पिक्चर एडिशन की प्रैक्टिस करनी है. बच्चों को ऑब्जेक्ट को काउंट करना है, उसको बॉक्स में लिखना है और उसके बाद एडिशन परफॉर्म करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child will practice picture addition. So here they have to count the object, write the number in the box and add. So one is done for them. So here they have to count the objects first. So there are 1, 2, 2 balls here. Then 1, 2, 2 balls here. So when they are put together or when we add the number of balls, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 balls altogether. After that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 apples over here and 2 apples over here. So when all the apples are put together, we have 7 plus 2 equals to 9 apples. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 stars over here. Here we have 1, 2, 3. 3 stars. So 6 plus 3 equals to 9. So here you can emphasize the child to count the total number of stars starting from here, or you can also ask them to take a help of their fingertips to count the total number of objects that are given. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को एडिशन की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है. पिक्चर एडिशन की पिक्चर्स दिए गए हैं ताकि बच्चे विजुलाइज कर पाए टोटल नंबर या तो सम फाइंड करने के लिए. तो उनको ये प्रैक्टिस करवाना है और वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करनी है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child will identify the missing number. So here they have to complete the sum. So here the sum, that is the total number, is given. 3 objects are given, that is 3 butterflies, 1, 2, 3. So here they have to count it. 1, 2, 3. So they will be writing 3 here, then 3 plus 3 equals to 6. It's a complete sum. After that there are 5 candles given over here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again there are 5 candles. So 5 plus 5 makes 10. After that there are 4 ducks given over here. 1 duck, so 4 plus 1 equals to 5. You can also ask the child to count the total number of ducks over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that again here 1 object is given. So 1, then 1, 2. So there are 2 objects here. So together they make 1, 2 and 3 objects. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को मिसिंग नंबर को आइडेंटिफाई करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कई जगह पे सम भी दिए गए हैं तो उनको ऑब्जेक्ट्स को काउंट करके यहाँ पे नंबर्स भी लिखना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child will practice picture addition. So here they have to add and tick the correct answer. So here there are 2 objects given. 1, 2, that is 2 kites, and then 1 kite. So 2 plus 1 together they make 1, 2, 3. So this is the correct answer. After that there are 3 glasses given. 1, 2, 3 filled with juice. Then 1 glass given over here. So 1, 2, 3 plus 1 makes 4 altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the correct answer. After that 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3. So 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 objects over here. That is 7 caps given over here. So the correct answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the correct answer. After that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jelly beans given over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5. So 5 plus 5 makes 10 jelly beans. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the correct answer. तो ये वर्कशीट में बच्चों को ऐड करना है दिए गए ऑब्जेक्ट्स को और उसके बाद करेक्ट ऑप्शन को या तो करेक्ट आंसर को आइडेंटिफाई करके उसको टिक करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child will identify the combination. So here they have to tick the right combination that gives the given answer. So here 1 is given. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is the correct option or the correct combination that is given. And let the child also do the trial and error method and identify or look at the other options as well. So here 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So these are the incorrect answers. Over here it's 10. So 6 plus 4 makes 10. So they will be putting a tick mark over here. Then 4 plus 1 is 5 and 9 plus 0 is 9. So these options are not correct. After that it's 9. So 5 plus 4 makes 9. So here they will be putting a tick mark as 3 plus 3 makes 6 and 6 plus 2 makes 8. That is the sum is 8. Next is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is not the correct option. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is the correct combination that gives us 2. And then it's 3 plus 1 which is equals to 4. So this is also not correct. After that it's 5. So 4 plus 1 gives 5. So the sum of 4 plus 1 is 5. Then 4 plus 2 is 6 and 4 plus 3 is 7 which are not the correct ones. Here it is 6. So 3 plus 3 equals to 6. So this is the correct answer. And then let the child also find the sum of the given number so that they can also revise the addition. So 5 plus 2 makes 7 and 4 plus 2 makes 5. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को करेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन को आइडेंटिफाई करके उसको टिक मार्क करना है और एम्फसाइज करिएगा कि वो ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड भी परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं ताकि यहाँ पे वो लोग दूसरे दिए गए जो एडिशन सम्स है उनको भी वो परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child will identify the correct combination. So here they have to color the combination that gives the sum. So the first number is 10. So 5 plus 5 equals to 10. Next is 3. So 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So they have to color this because this is the correct option. So they can use pencil color to color this. So over here it's 6. So 1 plus 4 is 5. Then 3 plus 3 equals to 6. So they will color this whole. After that it's 4. So here it is 5 plus 3 equals to 8. Then it is 2 plus 2 which is equals to 4. So they have to color this one. After that it's 7. So 3 plus 1 equals to 4. 4 plus 3 equals to 7 which is the correct answer. So this is the correct combination for the given number or for the given sum over here. Next is 9. So 2 plus 3 equals to 5. 4 plus 5 equals to 9. So this is the correct combination. So the child will be coloring this one. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को करेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन आइडेंटिफाई करके दिए गए सम को देखना है और उनको फिर यहाँ पे जो करेक्ट एडिशन है या तो करेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन है उसको कलर करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child will practice addition. So here the instruction is, let's color the flowers with correct answers. Find the questions on the pots. So here the questions are given and the child has to color the flower with the correct answer. So here the question is 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So the child will color this flower. So they can use crayons or pencil color to color this. After that, the next one is 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 equals to 6. So this is the correct answer. So they will color this flower. After that, it's 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. So they will color this flower with the correct answer. After that, it's 5 plus 2, which is equals to 7. So this is the correct answer. So they will color this flower. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को एडिशन की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है. यहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं पॉट्स पे, उनको उसका सम फाइंड करना है और उसके बाद जो भी फ्लावर में उसका करेक्ट आंसर है उसको कलर करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. इन दिस पेज द चाइल्ड विल प्रैक्टिस एडिशन. So here they have to tick the correct answer and one is done for them. So they can use pencil colors to correct the answer. Here it's 5 plus 5 equals to 10. So 10 is the correct answer. After that it's 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So 3 is the correct answer. They have to put a tick mark. After that, it's 6 plus 2, which is equals to 8. So 8 is the correct answer. They have to put a tick mark on 8. After that, it's 4 plus 3. So 4 plus 3 makes 7. So the sum is 7. So they will be putting a tick mark on 7. After that, it's 8 plus 1, which is equals to 9. After that, it's 2 plus 3 equals to 5. After that, it's 0 plus 2 equals to 2. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So over here, you can use some concrete objects or manipulatives like counters, ice cream sticks or straw pipes for letting the child visualize the addition statements that are given over here, and you can also let them count the numbers on their fingertips so that it becomes a pattern and it will be easier for them for doing the further addition. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को एडिशन की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है. बच्चों को ये आंसर आइडेंटिफाई करना है, करेक्ट आंसर दैट इज द करेक्ट सम, और उसको फिर टिक मार्क करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. In this worksheet, we are introducing vertical addition. You can add across or up and down. The answer will be the same. Let us see how. So here there are 3 balls plus there are 1, 2 balls. So in all, in total, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls. Similarly, here there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 buns plus there are 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 4 buns. So in all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 buns. Here there is 1 teddy bear. Here there is another teddy bear. So 1 plus 1 makes 2. So over here you have to bring it to the child's notice that the addition is done vertically, or you can also say it in a standing line or in a standing position. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को वर्टिकल एडिशन का इंट्रोडक्शन दिया गया है और उसके बाद एक एग्जाम्पल के बाद उनको 2 सम्स भी दिए गए हैं जो वो प्रैक्टिस करके उसको समझेंगे. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child will practice vertical addition. So here they have to solve the sum and one is done for them. So here there are 2 leaves given, 1, 2. So the child has to write 2 in the first column. Then there are another 2 leaves given. So they will be again writing 2. Then they will be adding 1, 2, 3, 4 or on their fingertips 2 plus 2 which is equals to 4. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tortoise given. After that again 1, 2. 2 tortoise given. So 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. After that there are 1, 2. 2 objects given over here and 1 object, that is 2 bottles plus 1 bottle equals to 3 bottles in all or all together. Also use different terminologies like sum, altogether, in all, total for letting the child used to with the terminologies related to addition. Here there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 princes. Here there are 1, 2, 3. 3 princes. So in all there are 5 plus 3 equals to 8 princes. Here there is 1 sunflower and here also there is 1 sunflower. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trees. 1, 2, 3. 3 trees. So 4 plus 3 is equals to 7 trees. तो ये वर्कशीट में बच्चों को वर्टिकल एडिशन की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है. तो बच्चों को यहाँ दिए गए ऑब्जेक्ट को काउंट करके बॉक्स में नंबर लिखना है और उसके बाद उनको एडिशन परफॉर्म करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. In this page, the child will practice vertical addition. So here they have to add the given numbers. The first one is 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. After that it's 6 plus 4 which is equals to 10. So you can ask the child to count the given numbers on their fingertips or you can also give them some manipulatives like counters or beans or any other thing that is countable to help them understand the concept of addition. Next is 3 plus 2 which is equals to 5. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 1 is 10. 3 plus 6 is 9. 2 plus 6 is 8. 7 plus 2 is 9. 1 plus 5 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. 1 plus 6 is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. 6 plus 1 is 7. 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 7 is 10. 5 plus 1 is 6. And 2 plus 4 is 6. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को एडिशन की प्रैक्टिस करनी है. जितनी ज़्यादा वो लोग प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतने ही ज़्यादा वो लोग थॉरो हो पाएंगे एडिशन से और मेंटल कैलकुलेशन भी उनका अच्छा होता जाएगा. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the child will practice vertical addition. So here they have to add the given numbers. So emphasize the child to use their fingertips or do the mental addition by visualizing the number of objects in their mind. So here it's 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 2 plus 4 is 6. 7 plus 2 is 9. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 plus 6 is 9. 7 plus 1 is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 7 is 10. 5 plus 1 is 6. 4 plus 5 is 9. 2 plus 5 is 7. 9 plus 1 is 10. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 4 is 7. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 4 plus 2 is 6. 7 plus 1 is 8. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को एडिशन की प्रैक्टिस करनी है. तो यहाँ पे उनको एडिशन का ड्रिल दिया गया है. तो जितनी ज़्यादा वो लोग प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतने ही ज़्यादा उनका मेंटल कैलकुलेशन, एडिशन का जो कैलकुलेशन है वो इंक्रीज होता जाएगा. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page we are introducing word problem. So here the child has to follow the instructions. So here it is given draw 6 apples. So first the child will be drawing 6 apples over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. After that here it is written now draw 2 more apples. So they will be drawing 2 more apples, 1 and 2. And then they have to count how many do you have now. So how many apples in all? So 6 plus 2 equals to 8. So we have 8 apples now. So you have to emphasize the child on drawing the numbers to help them visualize and then counting the total number of apples. After that it is given draw 8 stars. So the child will be drawing 8 stars here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. After that it's written now draw 2 more stars. So here they will draw 2 more stars. How many do you have now? So 8 plus 2 equals to 10 stars. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को वर्ड प्रॉब्लम से इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया जा रहा है, एडिशन वर्ड प्रॉब्लम से. तो उसके लिए यहाँ पे 2 एग्जाम्पलर दिए गए हैं जिनको उनको सॉल्व करना है और समझना है कि वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स कैसे करते हैं. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. Here the child will practice word problem. So they have to follow the instructions that are given below. So first the child has to draw 2 balloons. So here they have to draw 2 balloons. 1, 2. After that it is given now add 1 more balloon. So they will be drawing 1 more balloon here and then it is asked how many balloons do you have now. So there are 3 balloons in all, that is 2 plus 1. After that it's written draw 4 candies. So the child has to draw 4 candies over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that it's given let's have 3 more candies. So they will be again drawing 3 more candies here. 1, 2 and 3. So 3 more candies here. How many candies do you have in all? So 4 plus 3 equals to 7 candies in all. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को एडिशन वर्ड प्रॉब्लम की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है. तो यहाँ पे उनको ड्रॉ करना है और उसके बाद टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स जो है वो ये बॉक्स में लिख के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, we are introducing word problem with statement. So here the child has to read the word problems. So the first one is Raj has 8 toffees. He gets 2 more from his friend. Can you tell how many toffees does he have now? So emphasize the child on reading the statement which is given over here. Number of toffees Raj has. So there are 8 toffees that are there with Raj. Then number of toffees he got from his friend. So it is 2. So 8 plus 2 equals to 10. So now there are total toffees with Raj is 10. That is total toffees he has now equals to 10. After that the next question is Maria has 2 balloons. Her dad gives her 3 more. How many balloons are there now? So the first one is number of balloons Maria has. So she has 2 balloons with her. Then number of balloons she got from her dad is 3. Total balloons she has now is equals to 2 plus 3 which is equals to 5. So she has in total 5 balloons. So you can help the child decode the information from the question which is given over here, and after that let them read the statements which are given here. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को वर्ड प्रॉब्लम अलॉन्ग विथ स्टेटमेंट का इंट्रोडक्शन दिया गया है. तो बच्चों को क्वेश्चन रीड करके यहाँ पे जो स्टेटमेंट्स दिए गए हैं उसके रिलेटेड नंबर्स जो है वो यहाँ पे बॉक्स में लिखना है और ये वर्ड प्रॉब्लम को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. इन दिस पेज वी आर प्रैक्टिसिंग वर्ड प्रॉब्लम विथ स्टेटमेंट. So the title is word problems. The first question is if you have 3 candies and you buy 1 more, so how many candies do you have now? So candies you have, so how many candies you have? You have to let the child identify and decode the information given from the question. It's 3. Then candies you buy is 1. So total candies you have now would be equals to 3 plus 1 equals to 4. So let the child decode the information from the question and also bring it to their notice the words like 1 more, total, how many candies. So it will help them understand the question in a better way. After that it's Ray has 3 marbles. He found 4 more. How many marbles does he have now? So marbles he has is 3. Marbles he found is 4 more. So now the total number of marbles he has now is equals to 7, which is 3 plus 4. So यहाँ पे बच्चों को वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स विद स्टेटमेंट की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है. तो बच्चों को क्वेश्चन रीड करना है, स्टेटमेंट्स को रीड करना है और इंफॉर्मेशन डिकोड करनी है क्वेश्चन में से और एडिशन प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करना है यहाँ पे उनको. थैंक यू.